for you.
Can I look at them?
Yeah, they'll eat them. See?
What is it supposed to be?
Maybe Christmas tree?
Oh. They probably go well with this.
Let me look at them.
Oh. I saw that.
Did you see what's in there?
Look in the cookies again.
Take a good look.
Explain to me what those cookies
Why are
are
they-
in the shape of.
Wait,
I can't see.
I don't know.
What do you think it's
What do you
supposed to
think
be?
it is? What do you think the cookies are? Like, what are they in the shape of?
A flag?
A flag? Are you serious?
Pull one of them up, and I'll tell you what it is.
Yeah.
A door.
Baby bottle.
There you go.
It's the,
That was the best look ever! Yay! Look at that! It's our puzzle for everyone this
I was
weekend.
gonna
We
say,
wanted to tell you.
except there's two pink and two blue.
Well, that's because it's hard
We
to.
only have one pink.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, is that what it was? You could.
That's yeah. Oh my God!
She
Yay!
took the longest out of all the families.
Yes.
Laura's parents were
What
pretty
was your
clueless
first
too.
guess on a cookie?
A flag.
A flag.
I said a Christmas tree first,
Oh.
because I'm thinking Christmas.
Yeah, I was gonna record it, but it looks like you got that taken care of.
Oh
Yeah,
my
he
God.
recorded my mom and dad's reaction too.
Really?
Yeah.
Was it?
Did
was
they
it
start
hot?
throwing
They had no
stuff
idea.
around?
My dad just started eating the cookies. He was like, great. 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 Yeah. And my mom was like, oh, that's so nice.
What is a cookie look?
I'm like, Mom, what do you think those are?
Easter cookies? Or?
She's like, and my dad's like, oh, are you pregnant? Yeah.